By default, iMovie automatically applies the slow motion effect to the slow motion clips on your Mac. While it is well thought out, some of you might want to disable this automatic behavior, especially if you prefer to have the desired control over your video. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first off, you have to launch the iMovie app on your Mac. After that, click on the iMovie menu at the top left corner of the screen, and then choose Settings in the drop-down menu. And finally, you have to uncheck the box for slow-mo clips and you're all set. Going forward, iMovie will no longer apply the slow motion effect to your slow motion clips. Later, if you ever wish to bring back this feature, simply head over to the same iMovie setting and then check that very box in the end. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.